I got a house. Yeah, I'm outside of that. There's actually 3 people in there. The glow stick is very, very ill. No, I'm not there. They can't see. They don't know I'm here. Do you want me to, if you bash shovel, I'll rush the house. Oh, shovel's pretty weak too. Yeah. Is that you out the front? Leah, look to your left at the fence line. What do you want? A hammer? I got a shotgun, but I got no bullets. How about we try and rob them with a shotty?
Got a mic? Got a mic?
Yeah, bro, I got a mic. What about you guys?
Yeah, we have a mic. What's up?
Ah, you know, it's just cold out here. Just want to get some warmth. It's cold out here. Just want to get some warmth. You got a fire going?
We can start one if you want to come in. I got this torch you can hold in your hand for fire. Heat.
Ooh, shovel boy. Yeah, not liking your shovel, eh? There, 2 years. Can me mate come in too?
Is that your friend?
Yeah, it's me bud.
Alright. Pick that up for me.
Oh, you got a pickaxe. Hey, hey. Getting the guns out here, are we? Got any bullets for it?
I was seeing if you have any.
Oh, no, I don't have any bullets for it. You guys got no guns, eh?
What's your friend doing?
Oh, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to ask you gentlemen to just stay where you are. Probably leaving's probably not a good idea, especially if we don't want to kill anybody. We just want to mate needs a pickaxe, maybe some gear. Just want to just hop on the floor for me. Yeah, cheers. Yeah, you grab here, some handcuffs here. Just stay there, gentlemen. You'll be alright. Guys been playing for long?
What?
You guys been playing for long?
Not really.
Not really, just new to the game.
Yeah, we just got this new map.
Oh yeah, new to the map too.
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Alright, well boys watch Twitch?
I have it, yeah.
Yeah, because you're currently being live streamed on the Greedy Peasant. We appreciate your shovels and pickaxe.
There's a guy outside. There's a guy outside.
Hey, come in, don't run, come in, don't run, come in, all the way in. That's it. That's it. Lay down on the floor with the other bloke.
Can I get out of these handcuffs?
Yeah, you can shake him out, bro. Lay down. Before you get a bullet in your fucking freshie. Alright, well, we'll just grab our cuffs and we'll, leave you for the day.
Can I have a can of my food back, please?
Are you ready to go?
Can I have a can of my food back, please?
Yeah, probably. I don't have any of it. I'm just the gun pointer. Alright, back out. Let's close this door. Close the door. Hey, stay there. Let's go! Got done by the greedy peasant.